Create a diary card. Guilford Digital for DBT makes it easier than ever to create and customize diary cards. First, go to the Diary Card tab in the left-hand navigation menu. Click or tap the green Create Diary Card button in the top right corner to start customizing a diary card for your clients. In each section, select the targets you want to appear. You can also add a custom target using the green Add button in the top right. Like the classic diary card, your client will rate the occurrence and/or intensity of each target and report on which skills they've practiced based on your selection. You can also request that they report if they have taken their medication, and you can add your own free text questions for them to answer. On the preview screen, you're able to go back and make any corrections using the Edit button. If everything looks good, you're ready to assign the diary card by entering a card name, start date, and then selecting which client or clients should receive that card. Your clients will now be able to fill out their customized diary card and submit their responses to you in real time. Once they've completed diary card entries, you can view this information in their diary card and in the analytics section of their profile.